ADAS One Solution, the new future-proof calibration software from Bosch. Whether after an accident repair or after replacing the windscreen, you need a solution for increasing diversity of sensor technology and calibration processes. Due to full EasyTronic integration, the new ADAS One solution takes your workflow to the next level. Be it front cameras, radar systems, rear cameras, or even LiDARs, independent from the car brand, ADAS One solution significantly speeds up and improves your workflow. It clearly shows you space requirement, vehicle preconditioning, and the required ADAS equipment to increase efficiency and preparation. From there, ADAS One solution provides step-by-step instructions, pre-configured for every vehicle and easy to follow. Improved efficiency thanks to unique user guidance. And on completion, you have everything documented in your total proof of calibration report. ADAS One solution is embedded with EasyTronic, or works also as standalone software. With ADAS solutions from Bosch, your workshop is perfectly equipped for precise recalibration and adjustment of driver assistance systems. Become future-proof with Bosch ADAS solutions and upgrade now.